Alright guys, here's the bed that's on this old fire truck chassis. This is the bed that's going to go on the GMC truck that we're building, that we're going to make this a dump bed plus pull my fifth wheel with, and it's coming off this chassis here. And so that's what I'm doing this weekend, is switching these beds around, because that's the major part of this project. So stick with me and we'll see if we can get this off of here. I have gone through here already, didn't bore you with all the details, but we have all the wires, the tail lights, everything undone, all the marker lights snipped, going from the frame to this bed. I have all the bolts out that's on the plates that's holding it to the frame. I've checked it over a couple times. I think I got everything. I'm about ready to hook the chains up to the tractor and get the tractor to lift this bed off of here. We're going to be setting it off for now, getting this truck out of the way, be getting that GMC over here and undoing the wires and the hold downs on it, and getting that tank off of there. And then that tank, this truck will be backed up underneath that tank and then fastened down. And then this bed, I'll have to do some fab work to get. I'll have to set it on there and do some measuring and marking, and then it'll have to come off and get the hoist components put on there, and then mark out for the hinges and get all them hinge brackets and stuff in place. And then it'll probably be installed and reinstalled a couple different times as fab work kind of goes. You kind of got to assemble it, disassemble it, measure and stuff. So that's the process we're doing. We're going to use the old yellow farm tractor here to pick this bed up and get it off this chassis.